Hello class, this is Dr. Kamal, your instructor for Analytics 647. I wanted to welcome you to the class and make a short video about a quick introduction for Six Sigma. So here we go. The objectives of Six Sigma basically is to change the way you think about solving problems. And as we know, or as I say, problem half well-defined is half solved. The second objective is maybe to show you how to apply Six Sigma concepts and tools to approach problems and develop solutions. In a nutshell, what we have here is if you have an environment that is variation-based, or have a lot of variation in it, no consistency or no consistency that you are aware of, this is where Six Sigma best fits. So it is called a variation-based approach to solving problems. This may sound busy, but every process is basically some inputs going into the process, and then some main action that takes place here, and then you have outputs. And this big process is made of little processes here, many processes, and they interact with one another to deliver an output that the customer is looking for to get. So if we look at it from a statistical point of view, this is a distribution for the big process, and inside that distribution there are many distributions underneath that, and all these distributions are representative of the processes that are taking place to deliver the output. So if we look at the big process as a snapshot, we will find that maybe process 1 gives the process 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 and 6, and maybe after 6 it delivers the output. However, this process, maybe 4, will look different, because there's some opportunities for errors, and hence how the concept of Six Sigma is built on identifying the potential, the opportunity for making errors in a specific process and attack that to eliminate that potential and opportunity. We compile and evaluate data for existing customers. Basically, as you may recall, this is the normal distribution. And this is also a normal distribution because both are symmetrical, but this one has a wide variation, this has a narrow variation. This should be our target because we want to eliminate, reduce, and the variation, which means we want a narrow variation. Some of the actions we might take is if the process is off-centered of the center, so we try to center that back to solve the problem. The variation designates the spread of the data, so that wide variation means that's a higher standard deviation, that's a small standard deviation, and so on. So we use the Six Sigma to reduce the variation and to center the process. As you know, if this is a normal distribution, that will be the quality control limits will be between mu plus 3 sigma, mu minus 3 sigma. So here's minus 3 sigma this way, plus 3 sigma this way. So the spread will be 6 sigma. So we take the existing 6 sigma and basically reduce it to make a narrower 6 sigma, hence the name of 6 sigma. So the philosophy and the process centers around process improvement is the center of attention through the assessment of how good the process is, assessment of how good the process can become, what factors are hindering process improvements, what can be done to improve the process, how can we increase financial gain. Basically, we look at the dollar value of every step. If you can use Six Sigma to reduce variation, that means you're using Six Sigma to add dollar value. Basically, you're improving the bottom line and allowing your company to make more money. Reduction and or elimination of the variability is the target to reduce or eliminate defects or probability, opportunity for defects and error. continuous improvements is the way of doing business. That means once you solve the problem and eliminate the errors, you cannot leave it forever. You need to come back and check on it however time passes, and then you can reapply Six Sigma to make further improvements and so on. So this is basically a nutshell the concepts and tools of Six Sigma, and we'll see you in class. Please like and subscribe to my channel to give me an opportunity to make more videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or an email. Thanks, and see you in class.